English sentences for daily use. 20 sentences that we use in office. Good morning, how can I assist you? Good morning, how can I assist you? Can we schedule a meeting for later? Can we schedule a meeting for later? I need a copy of that report, please. I need a copy of that report, please. When is the deadline for this project? When is the deadline for this project? Can you please send me the email again? Can you please send me the email again? I will get back to you as soon as possible. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Who is in charge of this department? Who is in charge of this department? I need your signature on this document. I need your signature on this document. Can I speak with you in private? Can I speak with you in private? How is the progress on that task going? How is the progress on that task going? Who should I contact regarding this issue? Who should I contact regarding this issue? Do you have any updates on that project? Do you have any updates on that project? Can you please forward me that file? Can you please forward me that file? I will follow up with you on this matter tomorrow. I will follow up with you on this matter tomorrow. Can you please provide me with more information? Can you please provide me with more information? I'm sorry, I'm currently in a meeting. I'm sorry, I'm currently in a meeting. Can you please hold for a moment? Can you please hold for a moment? We need to discuss this with the team. We need to discuss this with the team. Let's touch base later to discuss this further. Let's touch base later to discuss this further. Do you need any assistance with that task? Do you need any assistance with that task?